Zoisha.
Eat dinner.
Okay, I'll feed them. Is this recording or is this a picture?
Birthday queen. Ooh, ooh. Nice.
Right?
Whoa.
Awesome, Vesta. Look
Made by
pretty.
me.
Your boobs are gonna look nice in that.
I mean, you can only wear it on your birthday.
No, you can wear it any day. You can
No.
wear it anytime.
Yeah.
Anytime.
No,
anytime,
then people are gonna
anytime.
think it's a
No.
birthday.
Anytime.
When it's not.
It don't have to be that.
That's retarded.
Sorry.
What to do?
Sorry. Oh boy. Okay. Anytime.
You know what? That's the match, right?
Ooh. That's
You know what? That's the
Oh,
match.
wait, let me see.
What a tag match, Vesta.
Her dress.
Oh, fuck.
That's nice.
Right? Isn't it nice?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, girl. It matched perfectly.
We get our the same color on our toe.
I said I was gonna feed them after.
Nice, Vesta.
Poor thing. Hey! Why?
And you never get that up of villain now.
The real one kill me out. We know they want to kill me out soon. It's alright. Back telling her they're not gonna be happy. So don't run like a mosquito biting her head. Now they kill me. Now God is her food.
I know we are gonna do it.
I mean, look at this.
Oh, God.
How about that, Vesta?
What is
We
this?
can't really this got the beach, you know.
No, you cannot.
We can't really. This is like
What is
a
it,
body
dress?
blouse.
It's a bodysuit.
Right, with my pants
Give
on
them a
and
bodysuit. So I'm
So
serious.
we can't really go to the beach.
Just hold it up and show the thing and just stop
Buttons under your
talking.
bum?
Yeah, buttons
Yeah.
under her pony.
I will make you one Kushaya, right? But Kushaya on a long sleeve.
Nice, Vesta. That would look nice with some jeans.
Well, that's nice.
Right?
I have no ideas. You see, it feels like.
She said she wants a man. Not one that is out at the bus stop calling to her. Him have to have a car. She said him have to have a car because the two of them can't take bus. Why? Want to be gift, man? We are look. We are.
I already put
real.
stuff, Kashaya. I put the bacon.
Oh.
Oh, Vesta, white jeans. Your body can't fit in a white jeans.
Oh yeah.
I never see mom in white jeans. I'm like, yo, I have to get them.
Wow, Vesta. Are you your size? The right size.
Put them in there.
And they're high rise, so they're gonna
Dirty
cover the
hair.
belly.
Sure,
Okay.
Good size them.
Okay.
Yes, Vesta.
These ones are gonna plump up your bum, your body even more, girl. Yeah, girl. Shut up, man.
Box cover. Vesta, barrel come for you, man.
You're so dumb.
Barrel come for Vesta. Don't have free food.
You can wear this over the yellow blouse.
Oy.
Yeah.
What's that, camisole?
Feel like your arm, yeah, if you feel like your arm too showy.
Showy. Okay,
Yeah.
that's perfect.
You get one nice outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Cushy. You can't borrow it, Cushy.
Hey!
Put it on, make you see how it look.
Not good. Don't church up my mother thing.
Is it?
See that? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah. Good muggles. Good time. Good time. Yes.
Cannot deal.
Like weird.
Oh my god, over the yellow blouse with the white pants.
Yes,
Yeah, girl,
yes,
see you have one outfit there.
Full
Come now,
outfit.
hurry up, man, you take too long.
And next time you go up on the plane that you wear, the yellow, the white, and the pretty.
Whoa, yo. Airport open next week, girl. It does, though. It does. This one you like last year. When you go down a bit.
In this dress, let me see.
Yeah, girl.
What, the kneecaps?
Oh,
Oh, that's nice.
it's
Yes,
capari.
these were I have a show. Then let's get
That's the capari that.
No, a
Not
pants.
A full
capris.
pants.
Yeah, but it's like, you know, like,
And the ankle.
Yeah, girl.
But
you get ripped.
That's a tick.
Me say when she go back to Jamaica, now them can't chat to my mother. What you mean?
Yes.
Go down a bed, no them are gonna pick your pockets.
Boy.
And no them are gonna pick your
Don't say that.
No, you can go check Eulalie
Oh,
and
God.
Zeta and Patsy and everybody gone.
God.
Patsy dead. You like the nurse.
Alright.
Lottie, you're so
See, you
horrible.
one up on the whole of them.
That's so nice.
Nice, Vesta. That's good.
Come on, hurry up. Alright, nobody fold up. Anything else?
What's the
clear?
movie we're watching?
Subscribe. Hold on, man. We never
Oh,
even get
sorry.
to it. And this can go with this now.
Oh, that's nice.
What's that?
These are at Urban Planet.
You need to do
Really?
Yeah. They have a whole plus size section.
Urban Planet.
Did you go to
Yeah.
Urban Planet?
I didn't see those. But you know, like they sit there when you see it in a store.
Look at that. Look at this.
That's
sleeve.
nice.
Right?
Then me have
Oh.
to come down all the way.
It comes like right here.
It's off the shoulder, right?
I mean, if you want, you're a nice young clean girl.
Young clean girl.
Yeah,
I
skin,
see it.
part-time skin, chop up, though. But yeah.
Let me see.
it's
Which part?
okay, yeah.
No man, over you're so pretty. You can't wear it, man. See? Yeah, everything fine. Your immunization mark go show. So you can't go say a Jamaica you
So
fine.
you know, say she a Jamaican. Yes.
Do you like your stuff?
Nice,
Make sure you try
nice
them on
stuff.
and them fit. Cause I'm not go back to our first to change them. So
All you need now one size 21 slippers.
I couldn't find one.
21.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing. That's the only thing they never have. Yeah man, it have to be got. So Uno give her your gift already?
But me not need no
Yep.
clothes. Me have enough clothes at home.
You don't have clothes like these
Yeah,
though.
them have the upgrade version.
You just have scandal bag like bottom of the barrel clothes, like clothes where you wrap up, throw it at the bottom of the barrel, and them clothes they have. Them are clothes yeah, when you wear them now, when people see it, them are gonna say, oh, that's Zoe's mom. Not in those other things where you have when them say, oh, I seen my mom, where you see her in a head wrap. Yeah, like, no, you're gonna look like somebody. Yeah, girl. Happy birthday! Are we watching something Tyler Perry or are we watching anything else?
Anything.
Okay. Clear your throats.
Ready?
Happy birthday.
Oh,
Wait, Mom, wait, Mom, wait.
Like a Romian.
Happy girl. Happy birthday to you.
My God, me
Happy birthday, dear Nana.
68.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Cha cha cha.
How old are
You now. Cha cha cha. How old are you now?
68!
Are you now?
Are you 10?
Are you 20? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60? Are you 70? Are you 80? Are you 90? Are you 100? She didn't stop.
69.
What? Say stop! Stop!
Yay!
You have your teeth in? What? Are your teeth in?
Yes.
Take time, blow.
That's just to make a wish.
Make a wish.
Oh,
Make a
sorry.
wish and then blow.
Okay.
Put it down on the table.
Yay!
That's the word I
Stop it! I need water.
Oh, stop.
Turn
All right,
the lights.
the knife and the knife.
Can I
Oh
pass?
yeah, oh yeah. Where's the knife?
It's a card cake.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
All wrapped
Take out
up.
the candles so she knows.
Oh, wait. Wait, piece of it is left in there, Mom. Wait, hold on. No.
Infected can't go more about my money.
I guess we'll just take that out
Yeah, we'll
afterwards.
take that out after.
Here.
Give me this.
Wait, Mom. Can you just cut the cake? Focus. Yeah, it's frozen.
Wow.
Still frozen?
Yeah. The inside.
Alright,
Come
let's
on.
pull it down, cut it.
Use your
Or
good
use
hand.
a good hand.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Don't take it out. It's bad luck. Your wish won't come true. Don't take it out.
Oh, let me go get some forks.
Yeah,
or
me
something.
too. Next year. My next birthday.
That's my wish.
It smells really good.
That's my
What
wish.
is it?
What is it?
Lemon?
Pina colada. No pineapple.
Oh, I need
Pineapple, coconut. So it shouldn't be too sweet, Mom. It shouldn't be too sweet. But you can't eat it yet anyway. It's after tall. So guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Zoesha. Yeah, I know this vlog didn't start off like how a normal vlog would with an introduction and everything like that, but it's my mom's birthday today. She is 68 years old and we're having a little quarantine birthday party for her, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we're doing. So that's what we're doing.
Man, cut it and give me a slice, man.
It's frozen.
You want the frozen cake? And my sister wants frozen cake. It smells so good. It's pina colada. It smells so good. Your dad said he wanted a coconut cake. He should try it. Tell me if this is the one he wants.
Okay, I'll give him peach.
Yeah, cut it and give him pieces.
Ooh. Ah. There's pineapple, rum, coconut.
You get the first slice. That's you. That's yours.
Man, don't eat the kangaroo part was stuck in there, you know.
Did they make this from scratch?
Who?
In the store?
Yeah, girl. Of course I made it. What y'all look for me so far?
What are the ingredients?
Pineapple, coconut, rum, sponge cake. Watch there. People I can't even cut cake.
Who's that for? You?
Keep going in that direction.
Uh-huh.
I told you it's frozen. You didn't believe me?
Better that way.
No, it's well, it will stay fresher longer. No, go that way because the kangaroo part's still stuck in that part.
In here?
No, in there.
This one?
Keep going that. Yes, you're in the right direction, man. Gosh.
You can't park in here, Keisha.
Gosh, it's so handicapped.
Hey. Slow, not handicap.
All right, we're gonna finish watching our movie. Bye. Say happy birthday to my mom in the comments. Happy birthday. What?
Sweet? Sweet.
Everything.
My garden.
You plant your garden?
Two people do this. They're in white. They're in white outfits. It's jousting.
There's a border.
Something like that. Jousting.
Outside. I need to.
Oh, okay. It's like a gate.
Can you get that, please? There's a border. That was fencing.
Okay. It's when you just like. Oh, it's this. It's this.
No. You plant a garden, but you need something to go around it. Oh.
When you're going on a climbing a ladder.
I told you everything you does this. I told you.
Oh my god! I can't do it! I can't do it! I can't! What does this thing about?
I plant my garden.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying. It's a game.
Put something around it.
That's not what you said. You said okay, Zoe. I plant my garden. I plant my garden. Oh, you're just a hiccup. You don't understand. I'm telling you, you get frozen. You have all the ideas in your head.
Yeah.
Who's next?
No.
Why not? They just act it out. Okay, I'll go again. Yeah, go again. Or you can choose another category.
Throw something at you.
Oh, I started doing it on TV.
What?
This?
Some of them are so dumb.
Oh.
Excuse me. Oh Lord.
You gotta go to school, Zoe.
It's a yoga position. It's,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the only one she knows.
You can dress up like this for Halloween. They have guns, spurs on their boots.
Zoe,
cowboy.
Yeah.
Lester.
Woo. That.
Michael Phelps.
Yeah.
Michael Phelps.
Pool. Yeah. I don't know what that
So
is.
you go to the pool.
I don't know what that is.
And then
Where's that place called?
A pub?
no,
Keep going.
Bar?
no, another one. B.
I don't know what that
Started
is.
B.
Bar.
No.
Skip.
Yeah, billiards.
Oh, okay.
Oh, your stomach's growling. You're yeah. Arts and
Crafts.
yeah. When you're on the beach, you do this with
What do you do
people.
when you go to the beach? With all the sands and everything.
Oh, you can't say that.
Sandcastle.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Okay.
You did it when you were in school.
You do your
Yeah, with your schoolwork, everyone's in the on. Okay.
Test.
She done it this way.
Dancing, shaking your butt.
Twerk.
Yeah.
You go that every year. I send you there every year.
Summer camp.
Camping. Oh, they just said this. The place where you go.
Billiards.
Oh, play pool.
Yeah.
Pool.
I think you're passing them.
Hey, pick up.
That's funny. How much did you get?
Some of them, I think you passed them, but you got them.
Did I?
Some of them wrong. You didn't answer on time.
Oh no, but I did get them. Okay, wait, hold
Cheating,
on.
swimming,
So 7,
Pool.
8, 9,
billiards,
10, 11,
Shooting pool, yeah.
12.
swimming
12.
pool,
Out of what?
hungry,
I guess 13.
burp.
I didn't get choking.
And that was the very last one. And she was like, "Ah," but then it cut off.
Jamaica, man. When you sit under that tree, yeah, man.
It changed.
Shut up. Shut up.
Do you want me to go again? Wait, pause it. Can you pause it? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
I'll just go back. You guys! Oh my gosh. Andrew answered my prayers, you guys. Jamaica airports are open back up June 15th. It's open back up. Now, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some rules and regulations in regards to how international people can come and whatever. But the fact is that the airports are opening. All right. Now, here is my dilemma. So, I find out just a while ago. Anyways, I'm home from my mom's birthday or whatever. I'm going to drop her off all these things. Yeah. All right. Cool. So, my dilemma is... Okay, this is my dilemma. Hold on. Let me get my tripod. Because I can't... The wall no in my answer. Breaking news. Hey, Andrew. Breaking news. Andrew. Hey, breaking news, Andrew. All right. Going on, man. All right, so oh God, my bed is a mess. Anyways, so as you guys know, hubby is in Jamaica, right? It's been June 1st will make it 6 months since I've been to Jamaica. I'm there normally like within like a 3 to 4 month span. Like I'm gone back. You get what I mean? So it's very long. And the fact that we've been in this pandemic, we've been in quarantine, and not knowing when I was gonna be able to go back kind of like made things a little bit frustrating, okay? I'm not gonna lie, it definitely put a strain, because I feel like we both are very frustrated because we are both planning a wedding. It had to be canceled. Well, let me stop saying canceled. It had to be postponed due to this whole virus thing, not knowing when it was gonna be able to go back. We finally set a next date that we are gonna work with, regardless of who can come, who cannot come, type thing. We have a new venue, which I have to go and look at, and all of that type of stuff. You get what I'm saying? So everybody's kind of like, wait until airports are open. All right, now airports are open. Okay, cool. I'm like, I am ready to go. Like, I will risk it all. I will go. You get what I'm saying? Like, I know for a fact, Corona knock. Me know that for a fact. Like, me know that for a fact. Me pray too hard pan it. Me know that for a fact, right? My mom now hear me a go on and was just like, Zoe, me know ya itch. Me know ya itch for go. Me know you want to go look for your husband and all of these things. But what if anything happened? And I'm just like, I don't like, as much as you should wonder, like, okay, like, what are the pros and the cons and all of that kind of stuff? Yeah, okay, cool, whatever. But at the same time, like, my other half is there. Like, what can I do at this point? You get what I'm saying? Except to go look for them. So mommy is just like, wait till September. And I'm like, what if the second wave comes and then they lock airports again and I cannot go? Right? Now, I'm not saying I have to go on June 15th or the 16th. I can't anyways. I got an event coming up on the 19th of June anyways. But why can't I go like towards like the ending of June or
beginning of July or something like that. You get what I'm saying? So what do you guys think? I'm gonna ask you guys, what do you guys think, considering if you guys were in, or if you guys are in a long distance relationship? Plus, our airports aren't necessarily even open yet, so I don't even know if I can travel to Jamaica as of yet. Jamaica is opening for tourist people. That's probably going to be mostly people from the States that are going to be going. And I personally don't feel like it's going to be that bad, just because everybody is required to take the necessary same precautions as it is. Like, I don't feel like every seat in the airplane is going to be full. You get what I'm saying? Like, I still feel like they're going to try to do as much as possible. I could be wrong, I could be right, I don't know, but I just feel like they know what's going on. They're gonna do whatever is possible to try to prevent this from spreading as much as possible. Now, as much as I don't want to do this nasal test, if it has to come down to this for me to go to Jamaica to go see my man, I will do it. I will do it, okay? But yeah, I know why I want to go, other than just seeing babe. Like, I know why I want to go. So I don't know. I'm just like, I'm ready. Like, I'm ready. But comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think I should wait it out? Some of you guys are already like, before I even got to see the news thing for myself, like before I get to breaking news by myself, everybody at inbox me, Zoe, your ticket buy, you're ready, you can go, you can still keep the wedding, you can go. No, I still can't keep the wedding, you guys, because I still have stuff that are coming in that have not reached me as of yet. So it's like physically, or like, it's not going to be possible. Everybody took their mind off of July already, so I'm not even going to do that for them, to them. You get what I'm saying? And yeah, it's going to be too rushed, and I don't want that. Like, the new date that I picked, I am in love with. I feel like it will work out perfectly fine as long as everything in the world still goes fine. And yeah, so yeah, like, as much as I'm still a little shaky about it, you know what I'm saying, like traveling, but like getting back to traveling, like, oh my god, like what, like, I just want to be with my lover, that's it. Like, I just want to be with him. Yeah. And as I was saying, like, it's been such a strain because we've just been so frustrated. We don't have anybody else to take out our frustration on except for each other, to be perfectly honest. So it's been a lot, like, and if I feel like if we can just go, if I can go see him, things will be a little bit better, because at least we know and we can get back on track and be like, all right, yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, but like, Jamaica is opening back, you guys. Anyways, I know this vlog was not long, but it's at least exciting news. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. Like, share, comment, share, and I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is and whatever that is. Jamaica!